Hi, my name is Megone Trewick, and today we are going to talk about guardianships and alternatives for adults in Texas. If you're watching this video, I have to say you are one of the persons that I consider walking angels on earth. You are a person who knows that there's somebody who needs your help, and you have decided to step up to provide that help for that person. When you're looking at guardianship for an adult, or you're seeking alternatives to that guardianship, you have to be thinking about things like power of attorney, whether it's a medical power of attorney to help that person make medical decisions, or a durable power of attorney to help that person in all financial areas of their lives. Then if that will work for you, those things can be great alternatives. If you couple that with being a signer on an account, or being that person, the designated person to help that person make decisions in other realms of their lives, then the alternatives to a guardianship for an adult is appropriate. However, for many of us, if we're looking to help an adult who may need a guardianship, many times that adult cannot consent to a power of attorney. That person may have a disability which may render them unable to understand the capacity and the extent of what a power of attorney is. This person may have some kind of mental disability or an emotional disability, or many situations where this comes up is if your child has an intellectual disability. If that person is 18 and above, unfortunately, even though you may love that person more than the sun and the moon, you have to seek guardianship over that person because he or she is now an adult. So how do you go about seeking guardianship of an adult? First, regardless of the extent of that person's disability, you need an independent medical evaluation for that person. Therefore, a medical doctor needs to certify the extent of that person's disability. Based on the extent of that person's disability, then you will know what sort of guardianship, if any, you can seek for that person. It may be a plenary guardianship wherein you have the capacity to make all decisions for the ward, or it may be a limited guardianship where you have the capacity to seek some guardianship or some decisions for that ward. You may have a guardianship of the person where you're only making decisions over the person's body, where that person lives, who the person goes to for medical purposes. You may have guardianship over the person's estate, wherein you're looking at financial things, where they bank, mortgages, what kind of loans they can take out, all those kinds of things. Whichever situation, a guardianship is the most loving thing that you can do for that person. And if you are seeking guardianship, I want to say thank you, because you're a walking angel. My name again, Megone Trewick with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you want to watch this video, learn more about guardianships, please visit us on our website, www.bryanfagan.com/estate planning or /probate and guardianship. Or you can like us on Facebook, you can follow us on YouTube, or you can just call 281-810-9760. Thank you.